Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles for You. And today is the end of our contest. So if you had a chance to enter, thank you so much. And if you wanted to enter but didn't get a chance to, then that's okay. Maybe, who knows? Maybe we'll do another contest at some point in the future. Who knows? So let's take a look at all of our entries. And the winner is, drum roll, Sasha Grace. So thank you so much everyone who entered. And if you'd like another contest in the future, let us know. All right, Sasha, so we will be in contact with you. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for entering. I hope you have an awesome day, and we'll see you here next time for the next Daily Doodle. All right, bye.